Waukesha 100% natural gas generators are the natural choice for oilfield power. What do we mean by natural choice? We mean lower operating costs. We mean greater flexibility. No matter the quality of gas, temperature, or elevation, Waukesha is designed to deliver full, reliable power where other generators can't. The natural choice means lower emissions. Lower than diesel or dual fuel, Waukesha meets the strictest regulations while helping you achieve your sustainability goals. The natural choice is that trademark Waukesha reliability, powering the oil fields for over 100 years with less downtime, efficient performance, simplified maintenance, and every bit as powerful as diesel. All making Waukesha's natural gas generators the natural choice in oilfield power.